All right. I want to quickly jump into this. We haven't done much on Bitcoin lately. We had that pump up and then we just fell off. Moving over to the 8 hour. Looks like Bitcoin has some potential to go down. We are also in a low sort of volume daily. It's like it wants to go down too. We're in kind of a weird volume area. Lots of money. The money flows in the red. I can see potential down in this. I haven't been really watching anyone today. Very bad sign. Looks like we're actually going to get a red dot here soon on the 2-day and get a move down. But you never know. Could get like that move that shoots up where you get it and it does the fibs. It does the whole fib move, you know, down to here and then shoots up or something, you know. Just depends. It's very hard to margin trade this right now. For big moves. Like you can catch certain moves on here. But the way that I've always margin traded was when we have big moves on Bitcoin, not little chop moves that move down to a certain angle. It just doesn't, it's not profitable in the sense of low leverage. So there's not really a point unless you're using a just absolute shit ton of money. Not much going on though. You know, daily's got the move down. I really thought that we'd push up a little bit, but we did touch this supply zone. And I didn't think that one would do anything, but it's massive and it definitely did something. But yeah, it's going good. I heard that stock market didn't do good today. It did just fine. I literally heard it was like one of the worst days and nothing happened. I guess they're referring to the Dow. I mean, whatever. Anyways, like I see a move down, but like, who cares? I think nothing but old people just look at the Dow. NQ looks like it's gonna go up. 4 hour, nice pushes to the upside, but it's rejecting. I feel like when it comes to stocks, it's a lot different. When you get pushes in a direction, it means that it wants to break that way. It's fucking stupid. So we've already touched these areas 3 times. And then including what's in here, we have to go up. The stocks are a lot more predictable sometimes than crypto. And then again, sometimes crypto is more predictable. So moving over to the 2-day on NASDAQ, let's get something that will actually load. 2-day. We have a buy signal coming in on the 2-day. I do see a move up. Like, I do think that we will move up. I mean, it's kind of obvious. Looking at weekly, sort of topped off on weekly, but yeah, you never know. When the government's shoving money in it for free, it's gonna do weird things. Now remember, the old joke was the stock market always goes up. Looking at the monthly, oh my god, look at that freaking 2 month. Dude. Anyways, yeah, the stock market's fine. Oh my god, dude. Monthly on Bitcoin's kind of dried out. A doji. you see that doji on the monthly? Well, that's not a doji. It's close. The I don't know. It looks like we could be drying out a little bit for now. I mean, you can clearly see it in every other crypto that's going on. So, we, like, for example, we look at ICP in this way. On the 2-day, this actually doesn't look that bad. But I mean, everything else is just absolutely shitting the bed. And we could be at the bottom here. Jesus coin literally did everything the opposite. I mean, it's a major buy signal, but it's got to have buyers in order for it to move. You know, we can see the way momentum's going, but if that's not actually what's happening, it's not going to do it. Dogecoin, I mean, everything has shit the bed. Like, everything just lost its volume. Everything. 2-day pointing down on ADA. So even COM fell, but it came up a tiny bit. Sats, all of it just lost its juice. I mean, but that was expected. Like, that's the thing, is if you did buy the coins that I recommended, just stick to them, dude. Add more. The whole point of the coins that I called out were 1000x next bull run. Beat's terrible. Skip a little bit. All right. And hey, guess what XRP did? That's right, nothing. 40. Let's see if it obeys the psychosis lines I drew from a while back. Little bit. Not necessarily. I mean, it is, but it's not enough to do anything. Maybe a short there. Short this area. So yeah, mobile, sort of steady. Built a nice support right here at fucking 002. Really like how this looks here. But yeah, I mean, guys, we just gotta stick it out. It's things, you know, we talked about this stuff a year ago. I really felt like I didn't post much last year, but I did. I mean, from perspective of where we're at now versus where we were, you can clearly see that we had the market bottom here around, like, what was that, like 17 or something? And then you click the next arrow and boom. I mean, a beautiful trade. It's excellent. There. I wonder what this was. This was monthly. Well, let's check and see, but let's do it on a clear chart. So we had that buy. Nice move. Let's go back and let's look here. So we had this move up on Bitcoin, that monthly, and then we had the fall off and then the rise up. So we have the monthly buy. And then what? We had a fall off, but this did it way earlier. That's my thing about it. So if we wanted to look at where this might go, I mean, this is end of... If we're going to follow this same pattern here, and even the same pattern here, we would be looking at end of this year as when the bull market would start. October, September, October. Yeah, you know. So maybe we get that down and then we get that move up. So build your cash positions. That doesn't mean sell at a 90% loss and then complain about it. That means that you build more cash with your income. And over time, you build your positions in things. And we're going to see cycles of things moving up and down. And hell, we may start the bull run a little early. Or this time we do it in June or something. It's just... This is giving you time, right here, is giving you time to prepare and to get ready for the next bull cycle. Don't look at it as down days. Don't look at it as market's over, it's into your life or whatever. It is simply a step back that now you're getting a better grip on. Now you're knowing the direction of what things are gonna do. Obviously, you can tell the DRC20 and BRC20 coins are phenomenal. They have led this micro cycle, and they're definitely going to lead the next one. So that being said, be strong and observe what's going on in the world at the moment. Because things are a bit weird right now. It's all meant to be. Everything is confusion. It's meant to be confusing. And it's meant to mess with you. Because really...
You must strain your imagination.
This happens too much. But right when I'm about to say something serious, that the song always has to talk and say something. Everything is meant to mess with your head. So make sure that you're strong. You know who you are. You know what's right. And you don't play into it. Things will be right. Give it time. It's already February. My God. All right. See y'all next time.